Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this MDF board, I'm going to create a mandala with simplest of brush strokes, basically to let everybody know that even with simple patterns you can create stunning mandalas. I'll keep lavender dot in the center. I'll keep lemon yellow dots. Now tiny dots in yellow. Now some dots in salmon. Now tiny dots in salmon. I'll keep some dots in coral. Now tiny dots in coral. Now some lavender dots. Now tiny dots in lavender. Now some dots in lemon yellow. Now some smaller dots in salmon. I'll work the dots in salmon. I'll keep some coral dots now. I'll keep brush strokes and coral. Now some brush strokes in lavender. I'll keep some plumpy dots in lemon yellow. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some dots in lavender. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep some salmon dots. I'll keep brush strokes in salmon. I'll keep dots in coral. I'll keep brushstrokes in coral. I'll keep brushstrokes in lavender. I'll keep bigger dots in coral. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep yellow dots in oval shape. I'll keep brushstrokes in salmon. I'll keep brushstrokes in coral. I'll keep brushstrokes in lavender. To me, this mandala looks beautiful and vibrant. Thank you for watching.